In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can firmware you can easily Redmi Note 8. Okay, what the tool you need to download and what are the software I recommend in this video. Currently, I'm using the Samsung device to let you some tips and both functions are the same, but the software and the developer options is setting some some settings are missing, so you are seeing the download Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 firmware. Okay, this is the website. I already available this Xiaomi software. Here you can see MiFlash software. Okay, I would like to open this software. Okay, Xiaomi Flash. You can see .xl file. Okay, it asking me to install the drivers that are recommended. Continue. Okay, now I would like to uh, download the Firmware file from the here China, Global, Indo, Indian, Russia, EEA, and EU. You can see all others. Okay, EU you can download for the stable versions. China, Global. I would like to follow up the global firmware because it's easy for everyone. Okay, I would like to download the latest version, Android version 11, and for this currently I have no the accurate uh, internet speed that download the properly. So from here I am downloading the firmware file only. Its file size you can see 4.4 GB file. Download from the its own server. Okay, where I am right now, Xiaomi folder. Yeah, the file has been still downloading. Okay, now I would like to guide you some basic informations. Okay, you are seeing the file with the format. File format is .tjz. Okay, it's properly. We don't need to rename. Next is download the Xiaomi Flash latest software. I already MI Flash. Okay, let's see. You can see the Xiaomi Flash tool. From here, you can download and open the Xiaomi MI Flash. It's the latest version I am using. That is the MI Flash. Okay, the drivers are I put on the installation in the background. Okay, now I would like to unblock the bootloader. I will guide you the this trick on the Samsung device, and you need to understand and follow up the steps one by one with me. Okay, I am using the smartphone Samsung. Okay, I would like to go to the setting about phone. Okay, software information. Here is the software information. You are seeing the build number, but in the Samsung Xiaomi, you need to go to the setting about phone like I did in the Samsung. Then there is the Hyper OS version. Like in the Samsung, there is a build number. In the Xiaomi Redmi, there is a Hyper OS version. So you need to top up to 7 times like I am doing. Okay, now you need to put your password properly to let your device understand you are seeing the developer mode has been enabled. Now I would like to go back in the Redmi. You need to go setting and then additional setting in the Samsung. I am finding there is no any additional setting, so in the Redmi, there is additional setting. There you will see the developer option. Okay, in the developer option, we need to enable the USB debugging and OEM unlock. So you are seeing the OEM unlocking. It's asking me to use the password again to make sure I am using my device and I am enabling myself this. So let's see. It's asking again, allow OEM unlocking. Warning is showing on the device. Device protection features will not work on this device while this setting is turned on. Enable. Now you are seeing the USB debugging options here. I would like to allow according to the tutorial. Both options have been enabled. Now I would like to see the file. Here is a rich. Okay. So we already enable both options. Now we would like to use the data cable original to connect our smartphone with the laptop, and you need to switch off your smartphone. First, you have to wait till your file completely downloaded. Then you need to select the file on is available on your PC. Okay, in the F folder, the Yummy folder, I will choose this once I place the file here. So you can see the configuration, MI configurations. Okay, factory reset, MI programs, Yummy, FS loader. You can see raw program XML page. You can see driver already installing in the background. You can see check SHA, log, flash, comfort, authentication. Okay. Once the file will be added here, I will refresh. Then I will click on the flash button. That's all for now. You need to switch off your smartphone and you need to press power up button and power volume down button. Continuously click till you will see the blue screen on your smartphone. That's all for now. We'll meet in another video. If you have any question, any problem you are facing, you can comment on the video. Thank you for watching.